Hey guys, this is Tech Fanatics, and in this video we're going to show you the working of a Tech Fanatics wheel balancer. We will have two segments in this video. In the first one we will balance an alloy wheel, and in the second one we will balance a regular steel rim. So let's get started. First, we will remove the logo cap from the wheel and make sure that the wheel is ready by checking the tire pressure. Next, we will prepare the quick release nut for our alloy wheel. We have two different attachments for the quick release nut. The smaller one is used for wheels with 15 inches of diameter or more, and the cup attachment is for smaller wheels. For the wheel that we are balancing right now, we'll use the smaller attachment. Now we will move on to selecting the right cone for the alloy wheel to fit it correctly on the thread shaft. To check the right cone size, we will take a cone and check it with the center of the wheel opening. If it's the right size, put it on the thread shaft. Next, we will load the wheel onto the thread shaft and fit it with the quick release nut. After that, we'll remove any previous weight that is there on the wheel with the help of a weight hammer plier. We'll check both sides of the wheel to ensure that there is no weight left on the wheel. There are three measurements that are required to balance a wheel correctly. The first one is the distance. We will measure the distance between the wheel and the machine with the help of an inbuilt scale. Once we have the value, we'll enter that value in the machine. The next thing to measure is the width of the wheel. We'll do that with the help of the width caliper. Once we have a measurement, we will enter that on the machine. The last thing to measure is the diameter of the wheel. We can measure the diameter with the help of the caliper, and alternatively, the wheel diameter will always be mentioned on the tire as well. Once we have a value, we will enter that to the machine and continue with the balancing. When all the measurements have been entered, bring down the hood. It will automatically start the procedure of balancing, which will give us reading of how much weight does the wheel require to get that to the right balance. Once we have the readings, we will proceed with adding the weight as recommended by the balancer. In this case, we will paste 20 grams of adhesive weight at the edge of the inside of the rim. And 35 grams at the adjacent side of the inside of the wheel. Once you have pasted the weights, once again bring the hood down to check if the wheel is now balanced. If it shows any weight reading, put that weight where it is required. And once again bring the hood down. Now if the reading shows 0 on both the sides, we have successfully balanced our wheel. Now take the wheel of the thread shaft Put the logo cap on, and now the wheel is ready to go onto your car once again. We will follow the same starting steps from balancing an alloy wheel, of checking the tire pressure and removing any pre-existing weight from the rim. After that, we will place it on the thread shaft, but this time we will use the cup attachment on the quick release nut. Once again, we will measure all three units, that is the distance, width of the rim and the diameter of the rim, and proceed with the balancing. In accordance to the readings, we will put the required weights. This time we are using clip weights, and we will put them with the help of a weight flyer hammer. Once the weights are on, bring the hood down, and if the reading shows 0 on both the ends, the rim has been successfully balanced. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. This is Tech Fanatics. See you guys in the next one.